you're talking, eating, or laughing, and suddenly, hic! Why do hiccups even happen? Hiccups are annoying, but they're actually your body trying to fix something. They start when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, gets irritated. This irritation causes your diaphragm to spasm, making you suck in air suddenly. Your vocal cords slam shut, and that's the hic sound. Triggers? Eating too fast, spicy food, or even stress. Most hiccups last a few minutes, but the longest recorded hiccup attack? 60 years. So next time you hiccup, thank your diaphragm. For more fun science in 60 seconds, follow WhyWhatHow